How's it going?
It's going.
Look back to when midnights broke their sleep, awaken our memories of when we would make believe. Collide colors of the masquerade. Watch as they fall away.
We interrupt this montage for a very important situation. Seattle is very famous for their seafood, specifically oysters. We got a tip from one of her coworkers that instead of buying them from a restaurant, we should buy them from the market and we should shuck them out ourselves. So, we can just take it to the lunchroom and then bring it back. What about the bottom? It's not that bad.
We ended up Ubering to a laundromat because we needed to wash the sheets and towels ASAP because they're white.
We were supposed to wash them in the sink first before we brought them out here.
It's me the rest of our night in Seattle. We got some good news! The laundromat worked!
Oh, we have decided that at every vlog, there's a life lesson we learned. Or you gotta learn through our mistakes.
We're pretty careless people, as you have seen. Last time,
we had to fill
almost ran out of gas. That was a close one. And this time, we stayed sheets at the Airbnb. All we wanted were oysters, and then ended up with cocktail stained sheets.
So, as we don't do this, we're giving this away to you guys in our giveaway.
Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to win. Drum roll, please.
Magic eraser.
And a Stain Devils. Wow, it gets rid of chocolate, ketchup, and mustard for you messy eaters out there. We might actually need this in the future. So. Anyway,
Because someone here forgot to grab the receipt after we inserted it.
someone here spilled cocktail sauce.
I'm sorry, I opened the container and it just flew out at me.
Okay.
Wait, we still need this though. For the
what?
bed.
Sorry, no giveaway, guys. Like last tiny little trip before we leave, and I think this one's pretty predictable. Well, this is basically the end of our trip because after this we're gonna go to the airport. It's been pretty fun. It should be a little longer. Alright. Thanks for watching. We out.